Aenso is relatively new to the auto detailing world, so chances are you might not have yet come across this up-and-coming Japanese brand. However, their commitment to producing high-quality, top-end products has made them a rising star in the scene, and their Polaris Snow Foam is one of their most popular offerings. But why is Aenso Polaris Snow Foam so special? What makes it worth a try over other leading snow foam products, including the very impressive offerings from Built Hamber, such as touchless or auto foam we've spoken about previously? There are plenty of reasons to consider adding this excellent product to your collection. One of the first aspects you'll notice about this product is how well it foams. From the moment it leaves your foam lance, it's thick and creamy, everything you could ask for in a pre-wash solution. The thick solution does an excellent job of clinging onto the car and physically dragging dirt, grime and other contaminants off the vehicle you're cleaning. This is where the real value of excellent snow foam comes in, as these initial cleaning stages make the most significant difference to how much you have to do to get the car spotless. Aenso Polaris is pH neutral, meaning it's safe to use on all vehicle surfaces. It won't oxidize trims, plastics or other surface protectants, including waxes, sealants and ceramic coatings. So there's no need to worry about inadvertently damaging your vehicle. Aside from the excellent performance, it also smells fantastic. As all professional detailers know, we work with many products that seriously test our nasal passages, but Aenso Polaris Snow Foam has a lovely, fruity scent that's genuinely enjoyable to use. This product you'll look forward to using rather than dreading. Lastly, there's the physical bottle design, which looks and feels premium and elegant. It's the sort of product you'll be happy to have sitting out on your workstation rather than hiding away in a cupboard. Yes, it's more expensive than alternatives, but in our opinion, it's worth the investment. If you're looking for a top-quality snow foam that will make your pre-washing easier and more enjoyable, we recommend giving Aenso Polaris a try. In terms of product usage, the snow foam works very similarly to others on the market. Firstly, mix up your solution using water to create the perfect dilution for the specific job. Aenso recommends 1 ml per 10 ml of water. However, you can go stronger if you've got a particularly dirty vehicle. Once you've mixed up your solution, make sure the solution has dissolved in the water properly. Add it to your foam lance and apply it to the vehicle in an even layer. Allow the product to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, during which time it will start clinging onto contaminants and start working its magic. You're right if you're thinking 10 minutes is a long time to let it sit. Particularly in the summer months, you might only get away with that long on a damp, cloudy day. However, if you've got a shaded area or a garage you can use, that would be ideal. In direct sunlight, we wouldn't recommend leaving it for longer than 5 minutes. Otherwise, it'll start to dry on the vehicle. Once you're happy it's had enough time to dwell, you can then rinse the vehicle down with a pressure washer. And that's it. Your vehicle is now dirt and debris free and ready for some contact washing. As an approved stockist of Aenso products, MD Detailing is proud to offer this excellent product to our customers. You can purchase Aenso Polaris Snow Foam directly from our online shop, mddetailing.co.uk. We offer free delivery on all orders over £50, so why not browse the rest of the excellent Aenso range to see if anything else takes your fancy. Lastly, if you become a subscriber, you can secure a further 10% off your next order. So why not give it a try today and see for yourself just how good this product is.